Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a little maintenance on the Massey Ferguson model number 2320 mower deck. It's about the wheels. This middle wheel here you have to take bolt out, grease her up, put it back together. But these ones here, they got grease fittings on it. But if you haven't greased them for a while, probably the shaft is rusted and it's going to act like a sandpaper and ruin your wheel. So I'm going to take this pin out and I'll sand the shaft smooth again and put the wheel back on. Let's take a 5mm punch. Let's flush to the shaft, switch it to a 4mm punch. And take the pin out. There's the pin. Take the wheel out. And look, see, it's pretty rusty there. I'm going to clean it. See, it's all rusted. Take the sandpaper. All right. I'll pop the whole grease out. Just here. Clean the wheel a little bit on the inside. All right, go back on. The washer. Tap the pin back in. This is ready for new grease. Okay, that's 3 more to go. And then when you've done that, you gotta take your inside wheels and grease them too. You gotta take the bolts out, clean them out. Anyway, if you like this video, press thumbs up. If you're subscribed to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.